What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote batteries in your 2023 Kia Forte.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button at the very bottom here. You're just going to push it, and then you can pull the emergency key right out. Now these remotes are really tight. What I mean by tight is that we need to split it in half, and they don't like to come apart very easily. So what I like to do is get a flathead screwdriver, and you can kind of loosen it up by going after this corner a little bit. Okay, and prying it. You can see how the remote wants to try to split open. Then you can kind of go inside and kind of convince it to open up a little bit more, okay? And where I'm going, as far as where I went right here, there's a little slot right here that I kind of pried on, but I started here in this corner to get it loose. And then we can just go ahead and just pry this guy all apart all the way around. Okay. And on this back half of the remote is where the battery is at. We're just going to pull it right out, get a new battery. And here's our new battery. The size this remote uses is a CR2032, and see the little positive sign here? We're going to have it facing down. Put it back into this cover here. I'm going to leave a link for some remote batteries that take an Amazon. They're like $1 a piece, so check that out if you need a battery. And then we just snap this guy back together and start at the top, work our way down, emergency key back in to make sure everything works, fits good, and we're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe.